Hey guys, I had a request to do a video on an update video on my house's doorbell system before we move, and there haven't been very many changes, but you know, I figured it was enough to make a video, a short video at least. So here I'm starting off in the laundry room this time, showed the transformer. So here's the transformer. It's the same thing as it was before, the Utilitech 16 volt 10 watt transformer. On the side of the service panel. Now one thing that is different, there used to be a Leviton blade style switch on the wall here, but that has been removed. That was removed when we renovated the laundry room and just straight hardwired didn't hardwire, but you know, what am I trying to say? Just, you know, tied it in right to the transformer, no switch or anything. So I feel like it was unnecessary anyway. So yeah, other than that, there's really nothing different. So yeah, now I'll go ahead and show you the button outside. The button has not changed either. It's still the same, but just because. Here is the button right here. It's the Heath-Zenith polished brass button with a light underneath the button, lighted, and when you push the button it shorts the light out and turns it off. It's still working, the light still works and everything. The bulb hasn't burned out yet because it's not LED, it's a little incandescent lamp in there. We'll go inside and I will show you the door chime. Now, I don't know if you remember, I made a video about a year ago, more than a year ago. I replaced the door chime upstairs with the Newtone chord tone that was up here. I replaced it with the Thomas and Betts door chime. But then when the house didn't sell, I removed the Thomas and Betts again and put the chord tone back up. But then when the house went back on the market about, I think, or when we first started to plan to move again, I took the chord tone down again and replaced it with this. This is a cheap little, I think it's Utilitech brand, I don't really know. It's just a basic modern white box door chime, nothing too special. But I can open the cover. Yeah, I can get up here with one hand. Hang on, I need to get up here. This is going to be really hard. Can't seem to get the cover off. Damn it. Let me put the camera down, see if I can get the cover off. Okay, here's the cover. I got it off. And then up here on the wall is the chime base. And you can see it's really cheap and just, you know, simple 2-note ding-dong. Sorry about the shakiness. I'm shaking again. So now I'll go ahead and put the cover back on. I don't think it goes a specific way. This shouldn't be as hard. I might even be able to reach it from... Oh, no, I don't reach it. Give me one moment. Okay, there. Switch out the light. And so now I'm going to ring the chime for you. I found a way to show you the chime. Let's see, would this fit here? Okay, hopefully you can see the chime. I don't know if you can or not. I'm gonna just... That might be better. Okay, I'll go down and ring the chime now a few times. Alright, so there you go. Oh, the cat came out. Alright, so that is about it. Oh, the camera fell while I was down there. Kind of moved over. But anyway, that is my house's update on my house's doorbell system. The new house unfortunately doesn't have a doorbell system in place. We're going to hire an electrician to run some electric wires and put in some doorbell wiring at the same time so I can install the cord tone in the new house. So you will hopefully, next time you see the cord tone, it will be up and working. So that is this end of this video. Thanks for watching. More to come.